Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We were doing question number 5, part 10 of exercise 1.3. In this part, we have to prove that 2 times a plus 2 times b is equal to 2 times whole a plus b. Start with the left hand side. 2a plus 2b. Okay, putting the value of a and b in this expression, 2 times matrix A was given to us as 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 1. One, negative 1 and 0 plus 2 times matrix B, which is equal to, as given in the question, B is equal to 1, negative 1, 1, 2, negative 2, 2, 3, 1 and 3. A and B are these matrices which are given to us in the question. We have to prove that 2 times A plus 2 times B. First we are going to multiply 2 with B and 2 with A, and then we are going to add it. Okay, multiplication will come first, scalar multiplication. Then we are going to add the matrix which we obtained as a result of these two operations. Okay, multiplying 2 with this matrix, how we are going to do it? We are going to multiply 2 with each and every element of this matrix. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6. In the same way, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into negative 1, negative 2, 2 into 0, 0, plus 2 times the matrix, Here we are going to multiply 2 with matrix B also. 2 times 1 will be 2, 2 times negative 1 will be this, 2 into 1 will be 2, 2 into 2 will be 4, 2 into negative 2, negative 4, 2 into 2 is again 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6. So we have calculated 2 times A and 2 times B. Now we are going to add them. ठीक है, हमें 2 times ये 2 को A से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, 2 को B से, और फिर एंड में इन दोनों को ऐड करना था. ये 2 times A कैलकुलेट कर लिया, 2 times B कैलकुलेट हो गया. अब हमने इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. ऐड करने का वही प्रोसीजर है जिस तरह पहले किया था. 2 को आप ऐड करोगे 2 में, ठीक है, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट में ऐड होगा, सेकंड में, एंड सो ऑन. 2 plus 2, 4 plus negative 2, 6 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 6 plus negative 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 6, negative 2 plus 2, 0 plus 6. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास क्या आंसर आएगा इसका फाइनल. 2 plus 2 आपका क्या हो जाएगा, 4, 4 प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, 4 minus 2 हो जाएगा. ये 4 plus minus 2 will be 4 minus 2, which is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 6, 8. Negative 2 and plus 2 will be 0. 0 plus 6 will be 6. So this is the answer of the left hand side. इसको आप 1 का नाम दे दो, ठीक है, दिस इज आंसर ऑफ द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड। इसको हम थोड़ा सा सेव कर लेते हैं अपने पास, क्योंकि हमने राइट हैंड साइड अब कैलकुलेट करनी है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कैलकुलेट कर लिया, वी गॉट दिस आंसर। ठीक है, ये आपकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का आंसर आपका ये आ गया है। अब हमने कैलकुलेट करनी है राइट हैंड साइड। Calculate the right hand side. Take the expression on the right hand side. 2 times put the value of A and B. A आपका क्या था, ये मैट्रिक्स A था, ये B, इन दोनों की वैल्यूज डाल देंगे। A की वैल्यू है दिस इज द मैट्रिक्स A, 2 3 1 1 -1 एंड 0। ठीक है, ये हमने A की वैल्यू डाल दी है, 2 टाइम्स प्लस B की क्या वैल्यू है, B की भी डाल दें, इट इज़ गिवन टू यू इन द क्वेश्चन। 2 -2 and 2 3 1 and 3। ठीक है, ये हमने A और B की वैल्यूज डाल दी हैं। Now because of these brackets we are going to calculate A plus B first and then we are going to multiply it with 2। ठीक है, पहले A plus B कैलकुलेट करेंगे, तो जो आंसर आएगा उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। 2 A plus B विल बी, अब क्योंकि फाइनल आंसर आने लगा है तो बेशक आप ये दो ब्रैकेट ना डालें। ठीक है, 1 + 1 2 प्लस -1 3 + 1 2 + 2 3 + -2। ठीक है, एंड 1 + 2 1 + 3 -1 + 1 and 0 + 3। ठीक है, now this will be 2 times 1 + 1 will be 2, 2 - 1 will be 1, 3 + 1 is 4। okay, 2 + 2 4, 3 - 2 will be 1, 1 + 2 will be 3, 1 + 3 will be 4, -1 + 1 will be 0 and 0 + 3 will be 3। now multiplying it with 2 we get the answer for the right hand side, the final answer। 2 × 2 4, 2 × 1 2, 2 × 4 8, 2 × 4 8, 2 × 1 2, 2 × 3 6, 2 × 4 8, 2 × 0 will be 0 and 2 3s are 6। now comparing both these equation, what we conclude is the answer of the left hand side was this matrix and the answer of the right hand side is this matrix. Both the matrices are equal, both the matrices are equal, therefore the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side, means this expression is equal to this and that is what we had to verify। okay, so writing the conclusion, what we concluded is conclusion is that left hand side is equal to the right hand side। okay, both the sides are equal, therefore it is verified that 2a plus 2b is equal to 2 times a plus b. ठीक है, दिस इज द रिजल्ट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट. इसमें ये बेशक ना लिखें, अगर ना लिखें तो भी ठीक है. इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक इट शॉर्ट जस्ट राइट that left hand side is equal to the right hand side and this expression is equal to this. This would be enough. Now coming to question number 6. In question number 6, you are given the matrices. Matrix A is equal to 1, negative 2, 3 and 4. Matrix B is equal to 0, 7, negative 3 and 8. You have to find 3a minus 2b and 2at minus 3bt. Okay, you have to find this. The first part is simpler. I will calculate the second part for you because it has transposes also in it. Question number 6. You are given the matrix. Matrix A is 1, negative 2, 3 and 4, while matrix B is 0, negative 3, 7 and 3. Sorry, 8. Okay, 1, negative 2, 3 and 4, 0, 7, negative 3 and 8. These are two matrices. And you have to calculate the expression 2a transpose minus 3b transpose. Now 2a transpose will be first, if you want you can calculate a transpose and b transpose separately and then put its value in this expression. Okay, so let us first calculate a transpose. To calculate a transpose, what we do is we have to change the rows into columns. We have to place the first row as the first column. Okay, 1 and negative 2. Then pick the second row and make it the second column. 3, 4. This will be your A transpose. Okay, rows will be changed to columns. Second row will become second column. Similarly, to find B transpose, what we do? Pick the first row, make it the first column. Then pick the second row and make it the second column. That's it. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply A transpose with 2 and then subtract 3 times B transpose from it. So taking this expression here, 2 times A transpose, 2 times A transpose minus 3 times B transpose will be equal to 2 times A transpose आपने कैलकुलेट किया था यहाँ 1, 3, negative 2 and 4 minus 3 times B transpose 0, negative 3, 0, negative 3, 7 and 8. Okay, so 2 times A transpose minus 3 times B transpose. Here we have to do a scalar multiplication because we have a number which is to be multiplied with a matrix. Number multiplication with matrix. कैसे आप करते हो? स्केलर को each and every element of the matrix से आपने सिंपल इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. ठीक है, 2 into 1 will be 2, 2 into 3 will be 6, 2 into negative 2 will be negative 4, 2 into 4 will be 8. This is 2 times A transpose minus 3 into this B transpose will be 3 into 0, 0, 3 into negative 3 will be negative 9, 3 into 7 will be 21, 3 into 8 will be 24. Okay, so we are repeating the same things again and again in all these questions. Okay, scalar multiplication, addition, subtraction, that is all we have. And here we just did something change, that was the transpose of A and B. Okay, now we have to subtract this matrix from this. For it, 2 minus 0, 6, minus negative 9, then negative 4 minus 21, and 8 minus 24. Okay. Now coming to the answer. 2 minus 0 will be 2. 6 minus minus will be plus. It is going to be 6 plus 9. Okay. And 6 plus 9 is 15. Now negative 4 minus 21. Signs are same, so we are going to add them. Okay. 21 plus 4 will be 25. And as the greater number carry the negative sign, therefore the answer will also carry negative sign. 8 minus 24. 24 minus 8 will be 16, because we have 1 plus and 1 minus. Okay, change sign, so we are going to add, subtract them. 24 minus 8 will be 16. And as 24 is greater than 8 and it is carrying the negative sign, the answer will also carry negative sign. So this is 2 times A transpose minus 3 times B transpose. This is the answer. This is what we had to calculate. Okay, 2 times A transpose minus 3 times B transpose. This is the answer. Now coming to question number 7. If 2 times this matrix plus 3 times this matrix is equal to 7, 18, 10 and 1, then find A and B. Okay, we have to calculate A and B, and this expression is given to us. Question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. We are given that 2 times 2, 4, negative 3 and A plus 3 times 1, B, 8 and negative 4. This expression is equal to 7, 18, 10 and 1. Okay. We are given that when 3 is multiplied with this matrix and 2 is multiplied with this matrix and the results are added, the answer that we get is equal to this matrix. Okay. And you have to find A and B. A equals to what number and B equals to what number? This is the question. Okay. This is given to us, this expression, and you have to find A and B with the help of this expression. In order to find unknowns, okay, whenever you want to find unknown, what we have to do is we have to find equation in these unknowns. Like A and B, we need 2 equations, or at least at least 2 equations to calculate the value of A and B. For 2 unknowns, we need 2 equations at least to find the value of both the numbers. Okay, in order to get the equation, we are going to make use of this equality. We know that this whole expression is equal to this, so we are going to calculate this expression. We get a single matrix that will be equal to this, and then using the equality of matrices, we are going to find the values of A and B. So let's start. Okay, you are given this expression. Now solving the left hand side, because there is nothing to solve, at the right hand side. Okay, so we are going to solve this expression and we will get a single matrix out of this. To solve this, we need to do scalar multiplication of 2 with this matrix and 3 with this matrix. Okay, doing the scalar multiplication, 2 into 2 will be 4, 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into negative 3 will be negative 6, 2 into A will be 2, A because A is an unknown number, 2 times A will be written as 2A because we don't know what is A, so we can't multiply it at least at this stage to 2. So we are going to write 2A using algebra, plus 3 times 1 will be 3, 3 times B will be 3B, 3 times 8 is going to be 24. 3 times negative 4 will be negative 12, equals to 7, 10, 18 and 1. Okay. Now adding these two matrices, 4 plus 3 will be, then 8 will be added to 3b, negative 6 will be added to 24, 2a minus 12, okay, will be added to 2a plus minus 12. This is equal to 7, 10, 18 and 1. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 3 b, इसको तो हम ऐड तो नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि we don't know what is the value of b, so here we can't do any further calculation unless we know the value of b, so we will write it as the given expression. Negative 6 minus 24, here we have two numbers having opposite sign, so we are going to subtract. 24 minus 6 will be 18, and the greater number carries the positive sign, therefore we have written positive 18. 2a plus minus 12, this will be 2a minus 12, equals to this matrix 7, 18, 10 and 1. Okay, so we were given this expression was equal to this matrix. We have simplified this expression to a single matrix. Now these two matrices are equal. Now using the concept of equality of matrices, what was the equality of matrices? Two matrices are equal if and only if their corresponding elements are equal. 7 is equal to 7, right? Now here we have 8 plus 3b, is an unknown number. Okay, b is an unknown number, but we know that this element should be equal to 10 if we have the equality of two matrices. ये दो matrices तभी equal होंगे जब इनके each and every element equal होंगे. It means के first तो obviously नज़र भी आ रहा है equal to this है, ठीक है. Second भी हमें पता है कि b की वैल्यू जब डालेंगे इसमें कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो this expression must comes out to be equal to 10. So we can write as 8 plus 3b must be equal to 10 because they have given us that this matrix is equal to this. If these two matrices are equal, then the second element must be equal to one another. Okay, this is the conclusion I have got from this expression which was given to us, that this matrix equality was given to us of these two matrices. 18 is equal to 18 and 2a minus 12 is equal to 1. The fourth element must be equal to 1 because the matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements must be equal to one another. Okay, this element must be equal to 10 and this element must be equal to 1 if the matrices are equal, and they have given us in the question that this expression is equal to this matrix. ये दोनों ये expression इस matrix के equal है, तो इससे यही हम बात कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं कि ये इक्वालिटी ऑफ मैट्रिसेस तो तभी होती है ना जब सारे एलिमेंट्स इक्वल हो. इट मीन्स कि ये दो एलिमेंट्स ये इक्वल ही होने चाहिए, अदरवाइज मैट्रिसेस इक्वल ना होते. 2a माइनस 12, अच्छा ये आपका सेकेंड एलिमेंट सेकेंड के इक्वल हो गया, एंड 2a minus 12 must be equal to 1 because this is the fourth element. ठीक है, this is the conclusion we are deriving from this expression. These are the conclusion. These conclusions are going to help us to find the value of b and a. From this equation we can easily find the value of b. How? Shift a to the right hand side. 3b is equal to 10 minus 8. Okay, 10 minus 8. This implies that 3b equals to 10 minus 8 is 2 and b is going to be 2 by 3. Okay, the value of b is equal to 2 by 3. So this is what we have solved. This is how we have solved the value, we have found the value of b. Now coming to this equation, 2 minus 12 is equal to 1. This implies that 2a is equal to 1 plus 12, shifting 12 to the right hand side. 2a is equal to 1 plus 12 is 13 and a will be as 2 is multiplied here, shifting it to the right hand side, it will be divided. Okay, so 13 by 2, this is equal to 6, 1 by 2, this will be the answer. Okay, so A is equal to, B is equal to 2 by 3 and A is equal to 6, 1 by 2.